Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to do an unboxing from PandaHall Selected. PandaHall Selected contacted me and asked me to review their products, do a box opening and review their products. And I'm here to show you what they sent me. And this is what the product looks like here. So it came pretty quickly. I'm just been able to get to it now. I'm going to link the products down below in the description box. Facebook, TikTok, all that as well down below, plus their website if you want to check out their website. So everything will be down below in the description box. So let's take a look and I'll show you what I picked out. Oh, I got a couple items this time, but it's well packaged, so I'm excited. So the first thing I received, well, here's the invoice, and it tells you what you picked out. I picked out only 2 items this time, and I like how everything is well bubble wrapped inside. And so the first thing I got was this case. Let's open it up. Thank you, PandaHall, for letting me review your products. I like the case. And these are alloy enamel pendants, and they're Christmas pendants. Let's take a look-see here. So these are the Sunny Clue alloy enamel pendants for Christmas, mixed shape, mixed colors, 30 pieces in a box. So I'm going to show you. How they come in this nice container and you just box it. All right, so the next thing I ordered was let me get to the next thing I ordered were these safety eyes, and they're PandaHall 218 piece safety plastic safety eyes, craft eyes with 115 safety noses and 333 pieces of washers for dolls, puppet, plushies, animals, teddy bears, amigurumis, and I mainly got it for amigurumis. I can never have enough safety eyes. Price per package. If you download the app, you save an extra US $10, and it's $17.68. And I like how they come in this plastic bag. It is guard against damp and handle with care. And so here are, these are all washers right here. So these are washers that you put on the back of the safety eyes. And I love this kit, and it shows right here what the pieces are. Let me open this up for you. So it shows right here what kind of stuff you get inside. And it has a nice locking container on it. And it's locked really well. And they show you right here, you know, how many eyes, 8mm, so forth. Here are the eyes and the noses. That's a nose. And here are the safety eyes. Let me show you down here a little more. So my noses and the eyes. So right here are the 8mm, 10mm, 12mm, and then you have 6.5 noses, 7mm, 9.5mm, and then you get the washer sizes right here. So I like that, you know, some companies don't even have this in here, and sometimes I have a hard time seeing what size they are. I like that they put the millimeters right here so I can see what they are. So I'm going to have a couple videos to follow. I hope you like my unboxing. I will link everything I got down below in the description box, plus their social media and their web if you haven't already. And give me a thumbs up. All right, everyone, take care, stay safe, and as always, God bless. Bye.